looks like we are. Hey guys, I'm not gonna be able to read your comments, it looks like. Hey Jan, hey Holly, hey Carolyn. I was just gonna come live, even though I can't see it myself, and wrap up a couple of pieces while I talk to you about something that's on my heart today. First of all, a lot of you guys, I hope you can hear me because I can't see your comments. I'll go back and read them later. A lot of people think that the mesh rollers that we put out are made at a manufacturing facility and they're in stores and that sort of thing. Y'all look at this. This is my world. This is my hot mess, unair conditioned, uninsulated, wasps flying around me garage. Yes, it's that rough. But I want you to know something, and I'm going to try to say this without crying. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. And I want you to know that even though I'm in a sweltering garage and I'm packing your stuff, I want you to know that I'm out here praising God. And I'm thanking Him for you. Well, I'm crying a little bit. So you're really getting to see the hot mess of me now. But I'm thanking God that there are people that not only have done business with me, that they have supported me by sharing my product, by liking my product, following me on Facebook, liking my page, following me on Instagram, Pinterest, and all that. And I want you guys to understand that as crude and rough as it is out here, this is where my heart is. My heart is all about providing you with a product. Excuse me, I got to get something on the other side of the table. Sorry. Can't forget the rings. I know you gotta have the rings. Y'all know what these rings are for, right? But I want you guys to see that I don't have a workshop full of elves processing any of this for me. A lot of paperwork has gone into this prior to coming out here. A lot of research has come in prior to here. I have to have special boxes built for these. There's just a lot that goes into not only the packaging, but the marketing as well. But I had someone recently say they didn't want me to post in their group because they only wanted homemade products, home-based business products. And I laughed and I'm like, that's exactly what I am. And they said, well, your pictures look like they're a store. And I said, well, thank you. That's probably one of the best compliments anybody could have ever given me. But it comes from my home. From my home to your home. And we've launched some new products lately. When I say we, I mean me and my husband, who happens to be at work right now. He's an electrician for Memphis Light, Gas and Water. And he's at work right now, working a double shift, which he does a lot. And so I'm out here waiting for my grandson to get home from school, getting orders ready and trying to get them to the post office before they close today. But I wanted you to see that there's a lot that goes into this. I have to build the boxes. I have to label everything. I have to put bubble wrap on everything before it goes in the boxes. Then I have to put the boxes together. So there's a lot that goes into it. I've got a lot of product that's going out today that I've got to get out. But I wanted to take this time. Yes, I live near an airport. But I wanted to take this time and this opportunity, it was just on my heart, to say thank you. Thank you for your your business. Thank you for the purchases. A lot of you have purchased multiple items from me. There's one lady in particular that bought every single piece I sell just this week. Crazy. And I'm so grateful. And I know that it is because that I give this business to the Lord, and the Lord blesses this business. And I try to treat every single piece of product that comes from my home to yours with the best care, and to make sure that you have the best quality. And so I just wanted to hop on here and say thank you. And I appreciate your business. And this is what I look like most days, because this is where I work most days. At night, I'm hopping on all of y'all's lives after I'm in my pajamas and I've already had a shower. That's when I'm on your lives and I'm chit-chatting and stuff like that. But during the day, this is my world. And it's not glamorous, it's not creative. I don't get to be in my craft room making pretty things anymore. And that's okay. One day, I will get to do that again. But right now, it's about servicing you and making sure that you have the tools that you need so you can be creative. So I work hard so you don't have to, basically is what it boils down to. But I love you guys, and I appreciate you watching, and I'm going to go get your orders packed. Thanks.